ChatGPT has recently gone viral. The best part is that it is currently free to use. This video will explain different ways that people can profit from ChatGPT, as well as the best way to make money with ChatGPT. That is highly recommended. Here we begin. ChatGPT is a software tool that can answer questions, write articles, and code simple software tools. It does all of these things very well, just like a human would, and even faster. ChatGPT's rise has been so rapid that many people are already using it because it generates unique and free content. According to many people's reviews, this is by far one of the best AI bots they've used, and many people are already using it to make money, which is why we're explaining some ways to make money with ChatGPT, as well as the most recommended method to make money with this powerful AI tool. Ways to make money with ChatGPT. Create simple software tools with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also develop software. The user does not need to be familiar with coding or programming. They simply tell ChatGPT to create it for them. ChatGPT will write the code on the backend before creating the tool for you to use. This method can be used to earn money by selling software or even services to people who are looking for a solution to a problem. Make money with ChatGPT as a freelancer. Freelancers may be wondering if this AI bot will replace them. Actually, the answer is no. Using ChatGPT effectively will make them more money than they have ever made before because content creation and delivery to customers will be faster. There are freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, and other popular platforms who write by themselves. However, this does not have to be the case because ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting for them and make their job easier. This is a fantastic tool for freelancers who want to make more money than ever. Quora Affiliate Marketing. If you want to get a lot of traffic from Quora, we believe this is the method that every affiliate on the platform should use. Quora has over 400 million monthly visitors, and the traffic on Quora is of high quality because it is a question and answer platform, which means that visitors who come to Quora have a problem and are looking for a solution. Marketers who use Quora typically get high-quality leads and even sales. To make money on Quora, you must answer as many questions as possible each day. This task can be stressful for some, and many people hire writers to help them answer as many questions as possible. However, with ChatGPT, people will be able to answer a lot of questions on Quora and get a surge of traffic to their website and affiliate products, which equals more sales for them. Quora affiliate marketing is extremely effective and can generate a lot of revenue. Use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money because it is one of the simplest online businesses to start. Affiliate marketing is the practice of selling the products of others in exchange for a commission. You make a sale when someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the product. The commissions are already present, so people can see how much they will be paid in commission on the affiliate platforms. ChatGPT can greatly assist affiliates in any way that want to promote products. ChatGPT, for example, can be used to promote products through blogging, YouTube videos, and Google Ads. You must have a landing page with content to avoid receiving a red flag from Google Ads or any other advertisement platform. ChatGPT will create content in any niche for you. As a result, the software will make the lives of affiliate marketers easier. Some affiliate marketers are already utilizing these software tools for their businesses. However, begin using ChatGPT before it becomes paid, as there is no guarantee that it will remain free indefinitely. ChatGPT can write product descriptions and reviews. There have been reports of people using ChatGPT to write product descriptions and even full product reviews. This means that ChatGPT is capable of performing complex tasks. For example, writing a full review is not something that many other bots can do, but you will be able to do so with ChatGPT. This will be useful for bloggers who write reviews of Amazon products as well as other products because an AI will do the heavy lifting. You can also monetize ChatGPT's product reviews with relevant affiliate programs to earn more money as a blogger. YouTube automation business. This business model is the art of creating a YouTube channel that does not require the owner's face to be visible. Instead, the videos are made with stock footage or videos, voiceovers, and a variety of effects and background music. The video will be uploaded to a specific niche. The channel's owner will upload consistently until the channel has a large number of videos and can begin generating a lot of ad revenue and paid sponsorship. The creation of the video script is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT can create video scripts in any niche that will get a lot of views. People who use YouTube ads to promote their products can also use this method. YouTube ads are extremely effective and can generate a lot of sales. However, consider how much easier the video creator's job would be if he or she could use a software tool like ChatGPT. Make money as a blogger. There is no doubt that people make money through blogging. Still, not many people want to do the work of writing and other SEO practices to rank well on Google and get the traffic that can make you money by monetizing content with ads, sponsored content, and other methods. Some people have even used ChatGPT to create a full product review, with the review being unique and high-quality human-readable content. The rise of AI article writers has made it easier for bloggers to complete their tasks. All of these AI writers are paid, and some charge more than $100 per month, which is why many people have jumped on ChatGPT, which is actually free to use. People appreciate ChatGPT because it does its job well. This is not meant to frighten freelancers because AI will never be able to replace human effort. It may have a minor impact on freelancers, but not significantly. Furthermore, not everyone is aware of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been a popular AI tool nowadays. What do you think of these ways to make money with ChatGPT? Comment below your views and subscribe for more such videos.